Hello, I'm here to present to you today the Basketball Phenom mobile application. It's an application that will allow the user to keep track of basketball stats for a single player over the course of a season, as well as updating and displaying season averages. Um, it is intended for competitive basketball players, middle school to high school age, who participate in a lot of tournaments throughout the year. They might have a 9-month season and play in 40, 50 different tournaments. So this is a way to keep track of each individual tournament, the player's success in each individual tournament, as well as statistics for the whole season, just how the player is doing over the course of the season. Um, I myself am a basketball parent, and I spend a lot of time, basically every weekend, in the gym watching game after game after game. Um, and it just would be nice as a basketball parent to be able to track your players' success through the course of the season, to be able to go back and reference, okay, last time we played this team, you did this, or so I that's why the world would need an app like this for just people like me. Some of the features that we have when it comes to tournament data. Um, The application, as you can see here, will keep track of each individual tournament and where it was at. So if you add a new tournament, here you can put the date of it, the name of it, where it was at, the team that your player played for, because sometimes they play for multiple teams, which division they played in, and what grade. Um, so once you've entered that in, then you can go. You can see all of that. You could edit it if you needed to. You can see the stats for this particular tournament. Um, then you can also see the games, who you played, the result of it, what the player's stats were for the game, what the final result was. Um, so each tournament will hold individual games and individual stats for each game and for the tournament as a whole. A cool feature because sometimes as a parent you might have a game at noon and then not another game until 5. So you need to find somewhere to kill some time or find somewhere to eat. So there's just a nearby button that will display a map, which is not currently working in the emulator, but it will show you your location when you hit one of these food gas shop. It'll mark with annotations on the map the places nearby you. Um, so that's a cool little feature. And then ultimately, on the main screen here, the application will keep season statistics, which takes all of the tournaments that have been played, compiles all the statistics, and shows you the players' statistics for the season thus far. Which is a very cool feature. It allows you to track your progress and just see how you're doing over the course of a season. There's really nothing similar to this. This really does address, while maybe a niche market, it does address a need in the application market. Because I know I would love an application like this, and that's what's led me to build it. So um, that's basically the Basketball Phenom application in a nutshell. Um, I'm very excited about being able to use this application. Our season starts here in a couple months, so hopefully I can have this thing up and going and use it successfully for a season. So this is Anthony Wisdom for application deployment 1, term 1410. week 1 video. Thank you.